everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today I have UU247, and this is a 2011 SEIR1500 series. It's got your 5.3 liter engine, automatic transmission, and 106,645 on the mileage, 106,645. I do not have it started here today. I do have the jump box hooked up. I did get a front-end collision here. So we are not going to attempt to start it right now. We're going to get a lot of this front end out of the way, test it in the bay, get a good run test, so there'll be a part 2 of this video, and then we're going to get a compression test out of it too. But besides the front end collision, you come on down, and you might notice the headboard of the bed is kind of pushed in there, but we got some decent looking quarters to it, some nice wheels, good rear bumper on the back here, good tailgate. So a couple of great parts on this thing. Just anything on the front end you won't be able to provide on this one. So we're gonna hop on inside. We'll test out some of the components that we have. It's gonna be a short video. Like I said, without the engine and trans running, we can't really do much on it. But we'll go ahead and hop on the inside, show you the mileage over here. Let me shut this door. So let's see. There you go, that's 106,645. Let me test out some windows for you. This driver's side, passenger side's already down. See, now I can't get any response out of that. That works. So come on over here. That one works also. Alright, we'll move to this mirror over here, make sure that moves for us. Looks like that works just fine. This does have the automatic AC control, so that's that working. Looks like that works just fine. Light wear right here, but other than that, everything else looks like it's working just fine. Parking sensors, traction control, adjustable gas and brake pedal, so those things are moving just fine there. We're gonna go ahead, we'll let the radio play for a second.
We go back to that meeting.
So it looks like all that works just fine too. So pretty short video without the engine running, but that's long and short of it. Everything looks really good as far as the components and all that good stuff. If you guys have any questions, please call Lews. That's UU247. Be sure to look for the second video that includes the starting of the engine, the compression test. And any questions, please call my sales staff. We'll be happy to help. Thank you and God bless.